Guangdong Trudian Technology Company Limited. Established in 2015, is a distinguished high-tech enterprise specializing in smart security products and solutions. Headquarter located in Zhongshan, our company also possesses branches in Shenzhen, Hong Kong, Japan and the Philippines. Certified with ISO9001 and ISO14001 international standards and TÜV certification, we boast formidable innovative capabilities and rank among the top 10 smart community security brands in China. Our association company is Guangdong Farbell Electronics Technology Limited, founded in 1992, possessing more than 200 employees, including over 20 dedicated R&D engineers, and holding over 60 patents. Our headquarter, Farbell Technology Park, spans a 24,000 square meters area, housing facilities for product research and development, software design, assembly production lines, and marketing center. In Hengmen Industrial Park, we also have a production support base encompassing 14,000 square meters. Our company provides video intercom, access control, smart lock, PoE switch, and a variety of ODM and OEM security products tailored to meet a broad spectrum of customer requirements. Complementing our hardware devices, we also offer a suite of software applications such as the Trudian Cloud App and Trudian Community Management Center platform, with an annual production capacity exceeding 1.5 million sets of security devices, all of which are certified by CE, FCC, and RoHS certifications. We are committed to delivering exceptional quality and service to our customers, thereby creating tangible value for their lives. Trudian, the reliable choice as your partner.